Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about crypto arbitrage, and more specifically we'll be focusing on funding rate arbitrage. In this video we're going to make use of CoinGlass. This is a free website to use. If you just click coinglass.com/arbitrage list, then you'll get on this page. Before we go any further on this, let's take a look at Binance. This is a example perpetual future because we'll be focusing on spots and futures. The reasons is why it's called perpetual future is because perpetual futures don't have a specific end date or a delivery date, while futures do. So these futures can go infinite. In this case, let's focus on the funding rate. The funding rate at the moment is minus 0.24%, and the countdown is 4 hours. The reason why it's negative, this means that the short traders, everybody that has a short position in comp, has to pay the long traders minus 0.24%. Let's go back to CoinGlass. This is the CoinGlass funding rate. Here you can see the different exchanges, all with different coins with their respective funding rate at the moment. Of course, we can compare the different funding rates, see which one is more profitable. And as you can see, some exchanges have different funding rates, and in this case, let's say DYDX has minus 0.14%, while OKX has minus 0.45%. So you're correct, we can make use of an arbitrage here. Let's go back to this page, because this page does two things. The first one is tracks the funding rate within an exchange between the spot and perpetual, but also it compares the funding rate between exchanges. Like we said before, we can long OKX with the comp coin and short. Then we could expect a profit of $20.92 with a position of 10,000. And of course this seems pretty low, the reward, but of course this is very low risk, because whatever happens you always get paid out, and in both cases you have a long and a short position, so both price changes cancel each other out. And let's go back between exchanges. Of course here they have like a spot and a perpetual, but I wouldn't recommend going for the spot. Why, you may ask? Because the spot, usually they also have a pretty high lending rate. So if the funding rate is like minus 45%, then the spot rate is usually minus, let's say, maybe 0.40%. I would recommend shorting it instead of longing. But yes, that's my video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.